another one of his crazy toys. Can't go wrong with a 350.
It's brand new crate motor. It's good for you guys.
You guys are getting all the toys.
It didn't run real good either when we got it for over a year.
It just needed a tune. That thing sounds awful.
It's sick, isn't it?
Look at Ari getting on it.
We don't get stuck in it.
Ariel and another one of his crazy toys. Oh shit. Your dad said, he said, I hope he doesn't get stuck in the mud.
I never had a gas. I never had a gas.
Uh-oh.
I only put like 3 gallons.
At least you got it out.
Yeah. It's out of gas.
This is crazy.
Bone dry.
Yep. You got no gas in there?
Yeah, there's water.
You got gas in gas can somewhere?
No. Oh, I put it on the customer's car the other day.
Damn. There's the mud pit. Yep.
Yeah. Bone dry. What? I bought 2 cans, but we put the other one in the 56.
Crazy.
You know Plus, he disrespected his dad.
The wheels ain't turning. Drive shaft?
Put it in gear.
There you go. Yep.
You don't want to tear up the grass.
So you're gonna have to get out of there one way or the other.
Yeah.
It's gonna get tore up either by the tractor or by that.
He thinks I'm going to get mad at his parents. I'll tell you that. See, he's not even getting on it. See, what's so good about this, though, is first of all, it's got four-wheel posi. Second of all, you can put it in two-wheel drive.
Yeah.
Where most of these, you can't put them in two-wheel drive. Believe it or not, this tractor will pull that thing, lifts it up off the ground.
Yeah, I believe you.
Thing runs good, doesn't it?
Yeah, it sounds nice.
How's it running? Good. You almost got stuck?